Hojlund with a very nice flick over the goalkeeper, and that gets us the lead after we conceded a very late last second first half stoppage time goal because Delict had hurt his head and was off the field for treatment. And maybe that wouldn't have made a difference because the past is history, the future is a mystery. Hmm? Okay. So let's see what the rest of this game against Brentford brings, because Bruno Fernandes, with a clever little one-touch pass to Hojlund, has resulted in a 2-1 scoreline in the 63rd minute, and just waiting to see how it ends.